Jangan malu, it's okay. Hello. Thank you for being brave. What's your name?
My name is Lizzie.
Come again?
Lizzie.
Lizzie, nice to meet you, Lizzie. And what's your question?
Why is the reason you come here? Why do you come to this place?
Why do I come to Pandeglang? That's a great question. That's a great question. I came to Pandeglang because I heard there is an amazing school with amazing students who are going to be diplomats and doctors and engineers and teachers, right? But I also heard that in this school, everybody reads a lot. And I think reading is so important, right? So that's why I came to the school. Is that a good question? Okay. Good question. Okay, thank you so much. How about you? Do you have good? First, what's your name? Woo, that's a nice name. Can you say it again?
Anindya Rifat Jabal Hadian.
Can I call you Anindya?
Yes,
Anindya.
my name is Rifat.
Okay, Rifat. Okay, Rifat. What's your question?
What do you think about our school?
I think your school is amazing. I think your school is amazing. You know, my father was a teacher, my mother was a teacher, my grandfather was a teacher, my grandmother was a teacher, my husband is a teacher. Okay? So many teachers in my family. Yeah. My father was principal of a very small school. But I can see that you have a beautiful, beautiful school. But you know how to judge a school? It doesn't matter if you have a big school or a small school, or beautiful buildings or not beautiful buildings. What is important is the students. And I can see that you are amazing students. So it's a beautiful school, and you have an amazing principal. Yeah, thanks for the question. Are you ready? Jangan malu. What's your question?
I have two questions.
Oh, good.
The first question is, what do you think about the student from MTsN Pandeglang?
Okay, what do I think? Well, I think I've already said, I think you're amazing. You're amazing.
And the second question, before
It's okay.
when you are later done,
What did I want to do?
what your dream?
Okay, that's a great question. I'm going to tell you about me. You know, I grew up in a very small village in England. Yeah, in England. My first job was milking cows. My first job was on a farm. I was a farmer. So when I was 15, I didn't know what I wanted to do. And I was a little lost. Because I didn't have good teachers and good principals to help me decide, right? But I wanted to travel. I wanted to travel because I read a lot of books about other countries and I wanted to travel. And so I decided to become an English teacher because being an English teacher, I could travel to other countries and work in other countries. Yeah. So that was my dream, to travel. Great question. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.